Hello everyone. Today I am dealing with buoyancy and stability of immersed and floating bodies. First of all, we see what is the Archimedes principle. Whenever body immersed fully or partially in a liquid, it is acted upon by a vertical upward liquid thrust equal to the weight of displaced liquid. Buoyancy. It is the upward thrust exerted by a liquid on a body floating or immersed in it. It is equal to the weight of liquid displaced by the body. Means buoyancy force equal to the weight of the displaced liquid. Mathematically, buoyancy force is rho Vg, where rho density of the liquid, V displaced volume, G acceleration due to gravity. Center of buoyancy. Center of buoyancy, it is the point at which buoyancy or upward liquid thrust acts. The center of buoyancy will be the center of gravity of the fluid displaced. Mathematically, depth of immersion H equal to rho H by rho. Stability. The stability of body can be determined by the considering Bhatt affine when it is displaced from its equilibrium position. The first figure, if body is displaced slightly from its equilibrium position, then it again regain the initial positions. But in the second figure, if body is displaced from its initial position, then it does not come its initial position. Means first figure the body in a stable condition, in second figure body in unstable condition. We see first of all stability of immersed body. When a body is completely immersed in a liquid, its stability depends upon the relative position of center of gravity of the body and centroid of displaced volume of the body, which is called center of buoyancy. Means whenever we decide the stability of immersed body, we considering the center of buoyancy, which is denoted by B, and centroid of the body, which is denoted by either C or capital G. The position of center of gravity and center of buoyancy in the case of a completely submerged body are fixed. We see one by one what is the condition of a stable equilibrium, what is the condition of unstable equilibrium, what is the condition of neutral equilibrium. In first figure, we assume that B is lie above the G. B is lie above the G. When a small angular displacement is provided to body in clockwise direction, in displaced position, the configuration of forces B and M shown in figure, and due to Fv, buoyancy force and weight of the body, the restoring couple is generated in anti-clockwise. Means we apply clockwise couple and restoring couple is generated in anti-clockwise couple. Means body regain the initial position. The such condition is called a stable equilibrium. Means whenever B lies above the G, then submerged body in the state of a stable equilibrium. The second figure deals with unstable equilibrium. In this case, we assume center of buoyancy means B lies below the center of gravity G. When we apply the clockwise couple or external disturbance, in this case at disturbed position, the restoring couple is generated in the system also in clockwise. Means never body regain the initial position. Hence, we can say that the present case in the case of unstable equilibrium means whenever we lie below the G means center of buoyancy lie below the center of gravity, then body is unstable equilibrium. The third case, when B coincide with G. In that case, the equilibrium is called neutral equilibrium. Same cheese explained here, a stable equilibrium. When W is Fv and point V is f of g, the body is said to be a stable equilibrium. And unstable equilibrium, but W is Fv but V is below g, the body is unstable equilibrium. And a stated change already explained in the figure. Next we see a stability of floating body. Already we see the stability of immersed body. In a stability of immersed body, we consider the center of buoyancy as well as centroid. But in the case of a stability of floating body, we consider the metacenter and centroid of the body. We see one by one. What is the condition? In first case A, we consider the metacenter lies above the center of gravity G. In that case, whenever we apply the disturbing couple or external couple in clockwise direction, then at disturbed position, the restoring couple generated in the system due to W and center of force of buoyancy Fv in anti-clockwise means system restore the initial position. Hence, we can say that whenever M lies above the G, then system is the state of a stable equilibrium. In the other hand, whenever M lies below the G, then system in the state of unstable equilibrium. In that case, whenever we applying the disturbance couple in clockwise direction, in this case, the restoring couple is also generated in the system in the clockwise. Means body never achieve the initial position. Third one case, neutral equilibrium. In that case, M is coincide with G. Thank you.